So, hi dear Taurus, very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So, let's start. Self love course is soon going to be launched. Wow, it's going to change your life. I'm telling you, that's how I changed my life. Anyways, let's start, Taurus. Yeah, we did everything. Let's see, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Taurus. ना करना मोह तंग है, तंग करने का तो से नाता है गुजरिया. Wow, Eight of Cups. Someone is feeling like detaching and walking away and moving on from the situation. Okay, simple. Let me clarify the Eight of Cups. Let's dig it. Let's see what is coming out. We have the Eight of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Magician. Wow. This is someone who feels very, very disappointed in the situation and they're manifesting a way out of this situation. Now, this is someone who feels like they have tried everything from their side, and whatever, like all they're getting from the situation is disappointment over disappointment over disappointment. And now they're feeling like they should just get out of this situation and never look back because enough is enough. Okay, so they are so highly disappointed, so they feel like now they should just never look back. Now they should just keep walking away and keep moving on from the situation. Okay, good. But this is somebody who can't let you go out of their system. They tried very hard and they're still trying. Six of Cups, soul connection. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Ace of Swords. So from your side, you feel like you're mentally very, very, very clear about what you really feel, what you really want, what you really exactly is looking forward to have in your life. Ace of Swords is the ultimate clarity that you gained. So you feel like you're clear. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords. तंग करने का तो से नाता है. You feel like you know each and every like secret of theirs, you know each and every trick of theirs, you know about their mind games. You feel like you should just work on yourself, stay happy, and do things that makes you feel happy. You are not trying to hide anything or anyone from anybody here. You feel like everything should be crystal clear, and you know each and every trick of theirs, you know what kind of a person they are, and you feel like you should not play any kind of games with them anymore, and you should just do your own thing and make your like life more comfortable, more happy, go lucky, and more successful and victorious. This is what you feel. Yeah, no, it's right. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Ten of Wands. Their intention is to drop it. Now, with all of the heart and soul and every kind of courage and strength, wisdom, knowledge, whatever you call it, this person is trying to get rid of this energy of not being able to let you go out of their system. They're like, oh my god, I just want to get rid of this. Enough is enough. Yeah, that's exactly, I am not even exaggerating here. They're pissed off with themselves. We have the Ace of Cups, the Page of Wands, the High Priestess. Yeah, see, they want to keep their heart open in this direction. They want to come forward towards you, but at the same time, right now, for the time being, they just want to let you go. They just want to let this whole situation go because it's too much heavy and too much burdensome for them to deal with this situation. Whatever is happening, I don't know. So they want to work behind the scenes on this energy of coming towards you with a positive and grateful and refreshed kind of energy. But right now at this moment they are feeling like this is the worst kind of feeling, this is the worst kind of pressure that they're feeling on themselves, and they just want to let it go, and they're not able to get rid of it. My god, you're stuck on them. Sorry, they are stuck on you energetically, and they are trying everything that they can from their side in order to let this feeling go out of their life, out of their system. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Two of Cups. So you just want to balance your divine feminine and divine masculine, and you just want a soulmate. Pure and simple soulmate kind of energy. Okay, let me clarify this Two of Cups, honey, for you guys. We have the Seven of Wands, the Five of Wands, and the Fool card. You are over this drama. You are done. So maybe you are done with this person like a long time ago. From 5 to 7 months, this drama is happening. Like very much. Okay, maybe it's just energetic game going on between you guys. For some of you, it's like literal fights, literal arguments, and literal ugly kind of energy exchange going on. You just want to be done with this kind of shit, and you just want to have a breakthrough where you are going to like straight away meet your soulmate. You are not going to settle with anything less than a soulmate now. This is your intention. Wow, my teeth are shining bright. I don't know why people feel like I'm a serious person. I'm not. I am not at all a serious person. My friends are like they feel like, oh my god, Anjali, shut up. Take anything serious in your life. I just seriousness is sickness. I'm telling you guys. Let's see what's coming forward towards it till the 6th of April, honey. Taurus Sun, Cancer Moon, Leo Rising. This is me, Anju God. Real name is Anju God. Official name is Prem Sanyogita. And for you guys, I'm Anjali. Knight of Wands. Okay. I am getting very mixed kind of feelings from this Knight of Wands. So let me do this. Yeah. Let me clarify this Knight of Wands. It's an on and off, in and out kind of energy that you were dealing with. You're not dealing with them anymore on a physical level. I don't think so. You are done with them, and they're pissed off that you're done, but they're not able to be done with you. That's the problem here. This is a past energy revolving around you from quite a long time now, Taurus. Show me something different, honey. We have the Hermit, the Three of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. Wow. Somebody's going to think a lot. Like, oh my god, this is heartbreaking. This is painful. I gave a lot of pain to the other person here. It could be you also. I'm not saying you're a saint or something. Maybe you are the one who did something really wrong with the other person here. And now you are suffering. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind, Taurus. Anytime, any moment. Because it's a couple reading, you can say. And the energies can be different, like reversed also. So this is somebody who is thinking about all the pain that they gave to the other person here, and they are ready to come forward towards you with some kind of apology, message, communication apology, with some kind of heartfelt apology. Sorry, heartfelt offer of can we, even if it is not the offer of love, you can say, or offer of commitment, or offer of marriage or something. This is definitely an offer of, can we be friends again? Can you at least forgive me? Can you at least give me this kind of energy of, okay, I forgive you, now you can move ahead in your life. So somebody is suffering in silence because they are not able to they're not able to handle the karma they are getting by hurting the other person here. So somebody is facing major karma here, and now they're realizing the kind of pain that they gave to the other person. And by the 6th of April, there are chances of somebody coming towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology. And this time it's going to be serious. This time it's going to be heartfelt. This time they're not joking, or they're not a non-serious energy when they're coming towards you with some kind of apology. This time they're serious. So it's like the Knight of Wands is telling me that the player or the person who felt like, oh, this is nothing, I will be over this in no time, is going to feel the pain, and finally the universe is going to make them do the right thing. Until unless they are going to do the right thing in this situation, which means a heartfelt apology and the forgiveness, they will not be at peace. I'm not saying this, the cards are saying this. Hmm? So for you, the guidance here is the Page of Wands. Explore your life, go out, live your life to the fullest. For Taurus people, it's very difficult to go out and have fun. At least for me, I'm a very lazy person. I read a lot of books, I meditate, I watch TV, I drink a lot of water, and boom, I'm done. These days, I'm making the courses as well. But for you guys, the guidance here is explore new things, go to new places, make new friends. Don't put your life on hold for anything or anyone. Please don't waste your precious time and energy on something that you know is not good for you or meant for you, or whatever the case may be. But the universe is giving you the green signal of good to go, start a brand new life, brand new chapter, and enjoy your life to the fullest, because you got only one. At least for this lifetime, it's only one, right? Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'm soon launching my self-love course that's definitely going to change your life for the version of your life, and you will become something like me. Just kidding. You will become the best version of yourself. Anyway, so good to go. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste, honey.